I didn't realise there was a roundabout there. And you had no hands on the wheel. I'm like, oh god, we're all gonna die.
No hands! It's fine. This is fine. It's my birthday! I can do what I like.
Birthday, Sarah. It's your birthday, Sarah.
Birthday. I'm a birthday Sarah. Anyway, it's my birthday, and we're going out for high tea at the Temporary. So we're gonna go and pick up Mothery Doos and Ian Pants, and we're gonna go eat all the tasty yummy things. Okay, let's go! Yay! We just got to Newman's Nursery to go and sit down and have our high tea, and we have everyone say hi.
Hello. I don't know if I got in that.
Oh, what is that? It's a camera, Mother.
Hi.
Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Say hi, Ian.
Hello.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Alright. Should we do prezzies?
Ooh, I do like prezzies. Which one should I open first?
You pick.
I'll open the little one first. Opening presents time.
It's a basketball.
Smash it on the ground?
Yep.
I'm not gonna do that.
Who's the Bluetooth freak? Oh, you are?
It's me. Yeah.
What are they?
It's the pink mouse to go with my keyboard.
Oh.
It's matching.
Thank you, babe.
That's okay.
You're the best. Yay! My pink set is almost complete.
So close.
So close and yet so far. Alright.
We didn't go pink except for the wrapping.
That's pretty. You're forgiven. Alright. Let's, I'll read the card first. Yeah. Okay. Let's go on it.
That's really cute.
Dear Sarah, wishing you a very happy birthday and a fun and healthy year ahead. I'm so proud of the lovely person you are and watch your online work in amazing.
Jack
Truly
will
a
want you
unique,
on the
special
photo. Bring you
person.
another one.
Enjoy your day and the festival of Sarah. Love you heaps. Mum, and lots of love, Ian. Alright.
Love that.
Well, with the llama, I would have thought. I've heard of pink eye, but not pink ear.
Never heard of a pink Ian? I mean, we could probably make you pink if you want. You know, I'm just gonna rip it. Ooh, it's a pink box. And another pink box. Okay. Ooh, what is this? So much confetti. I'm gonna make a giant.
It's not shoes.
It's not. No, it certainly isn't shoes. Ooh, you didn't. We lied. Oh my god, you guys! I can't.
We thought we'd keep you guessing for at least 5 minutes anyway.
Holy what?
Is that the right one?
You got me a Switch? Holy shit, yes, that is absolutely the right one. Thank you so much, oh my god. I'm gonna play the shit out of Animal Crossing.
Yeah, that's the idea.
That's the idea. Oh, I'm so spoiled. Thank you so much, guys. Yummy. What have you got on yours, my love?
It looks amazing.
Yeah. Doesn't it look super tasty?
What have you got, Ricardo?
Flowers.
You get to eat those first.
Yeah, I get to eat flowers, right?
Yeah.
Sure, if you really want to. Dummy. You big old dummy head.
So where are we going?
We're going to the Prospect Fair.
And who are we going with?
You.
Me and...
my dad and
Where is the puppy? Oh, down there.
there she is. Hello, say hi.
Oh, no, she's...
Usually she's so determined to get on the camera, and now she's just like, whoa. One track mind is something, okay? Anyway, we're going to the fair. We're going to look at nice things and maybe eat some more things. Today is a day of eating.
Is it? And it's not a very special day at all. It's just a kind of...
You're a bumhead.
I mean, what is the special thing for today?
I don't know. I heard some like the perfect pink princess was born on this day about 32 years ago.
Oh, okay.
I know, right?
32.
I know.
That's a lot of years.
I know. Possibly ancient now. Oh. But anyway, we're gonna go look at fun things and see some of our friends. And see some of our friends. And it'll be good.
So we're in. So what are you planning on buying today? Is there anything?
I don't know. It depends. If there's anything at the fair that is good. Oh, I didn't think you were going to get cash up. Do you have any cash?
No.
Oh, that's a shame.
This is good. This is us working off our high tea.
Our high tea this morning on all the cakes that we had for breakfast.
You had cake for breakfast?
We had cake for breakfast. My favourite kind of breakfast.
Honey, you could have cake for every meal.
This is true. This is true. I could have cake for every meal, but then I'd be fat.
Probably yeah, probably wouldn't recommend cake for every meal.
No.
Or bubble tea for every meal.
Listen
And you would,
here, I'm feeling personally attacked right now.
As you should. Oh, look at this house.
Oh, it's so
This
spoopy.
house is all spoopy.
It's so spook. It's doing a spook. I think they have a spider problem.
I think so.
Reflect the stars that guide towards salvation.
I am feeling personally attacked right now. Am not. Look who we found! Fuck, fuck. It's an agenda. And stop running away! Come back! Come back!
Avoid it! Avoid it!
Andress! Yay! I like running into people I know. You guys are adorable! We are done with the fair.
We are.
And we are heading back to the car with a very, very sleepy puppy. She's not coping with just the amount of pats and walking and attention she's got. It's just been too much for a little puppy.
And Sarah's
Just too
also not
much.
coping with a lack of bubble tea.
No, so our next birthday activity now is we are going to go to Cha Time, and I'm going to get a birthday bubble tea because I think I deserve one.
You deserve one.
I do.
What do
I
you
always
deserve
deserve bubble
one?
tea. Oh, hang on.
Oh.
I've got the lead on my camera hand. Well, I was born today.
Oh, yeah, that's a pretty good effort.
I mean, I'm glad I exist. Are you glad I exist? Yeah. And therefore, I deserve bubble tea. We vlogging. We vlogging. She's vlogging. It's my birthday. This is Katie. Hi. We are on our way into town to go and get some tasty, yummy things. And we've got a Ricardo. I've got Tom in the front, but I'm not going to stick the camera at him because I know he doesn't like it. And we are going to have lots and lots of fun and some little drinky poos. Yay! I am a giant pink fluff monster this evening, and still not sure how I feel about it, but.
Thank you.
Cauliflower. Oh, that sounds good.
Teriyaki chicken.
Yeah.
That's for me. Thank you. And just chuck it in here. Thank you. Delicious.
Did you hear that? Chili oil. And this is the normal sauce for it. Yep. That's fresh garlic. And these are... Oh, you're in the wrong pen.
Oh, the giant! I'm so glad I bought this thing. Look at it. It's tiny. Come here. Come here.
So fluffy!
I am so fluffy. Uh-oh. I'm down here. Up. My face is over here, thank you very much. My face!
My face is here.
My face! Ah!